This is how you can mute and unmute yourself in Zoom. So the easiest way is down here at the bottom is your unmute mute button. So if I click this, now anything I'm saying my teacher can hear. If you have a lot of background noise in wherever you're learning, you probably want to keep this muted, except when you are talking, because otherwise that background noise could be very distracting to other people that are learning. You might not get distracted by it, that might not bother you, but it could bother other people. It also makes it hard to hear anyone else that might be talking. So we always recommend having this mute button on unless you are actually talking. The other thing you can do is you can turn your video on and off. I know that teachers like to have our video on. We love to see your faces. It helps us to see if you are understanding something, because we can look and see if you look confused or if you look lost. It also just helps. We also just like to see you. It's nice to see smiling faces or even tired faces. It's hard to talk to a screen, but if you're not comfortable having your video on, just let your teacher know. So again, here is your mute button, and this is your video button. And if for some reason you ever need to leave the meeting, this is how you would leave. You click leave meeting in the bottom right corner. So again, unmute, mute, video on and off. And then this is how you would leave the meeting whenever it's over.